guys, Boston, Massachusetts is checking in and we're about to talk about it. I'm going to tell you how to go about filing a complaint against a company the correct way where you will get results. 2 years ago, I went to Liberty Tax to file my 2019 taxes. I didn't receive them until last week, only because of the consumer protection laws, okay? So for 2 years, I've been like trying to connect with these people, ask them, what's happening, where are my taxes? I didn't receive them. I was constantly going there. I mean, literally, it would take me 45 minutes to go to this agency. And not only that, the original tax agency place was closed down. I don't know what happened, but the people no longer work with them and the whole building is closed. But I believe that they sold the building, or the building was sold to another business. So anyways, the lady was no longer working with them. The other people that was helping me, they was giving me the runaround. Well, we faxed it to the wrong place. I'll be with you. Give me 1 second. Me and the lady got into an argument because she tried to tell me like some bullshit that I was not receiving well, which was that, I didn't get my first stimulus check. So I was like trying to figure out why I didn't get my first one. No, I got the first one, but I didn't get the second one. And so I was trying to figure out why. So the second one went to the tax prep agency. I was like, what? So that's why I didn't get my stimulus check, because supposedly they sent it to them, but they have these dummy cards where when they do your taxes, they use that card to collect your money, and then after your taxes go through, they issue you a card, the way it was explained to me. So for 2 years, I kept on just reasoning with these people, calling headquarters, talking to this person, that person. They all giving me the runaround, telling me to call the IRS, but I couldn't get through to the IRS because the lady prepared my taxes. And then there was a time when I did get through and I got my transcript back, and they was telling me, oh, well, my taxes weren't filed. So now I'm like, damn, did this bitch defraud me? Because they got paid. They got paid my state taxes, so I was only able to receive my federal taxes, which I didn't receive. And I'm like, hold, wait up. Hold a minute. Wait a minute. I don't know why I'm off, guys, but I am. I'm like, wait a minute. I didn't get my taxes. Did y'all, what's going on? So anyways, by studying this other material, I learned how to basically go after this company for them to be held accountable. Because I felt like they defrauded me. What they said to me did not happen. Exactly what did I pay for? So, the consumer protection laws. You can look this up, Google it. It's a great law for consumers. Because I'm going to tell you, I had to go old school on them bitches. I had to sit down at the table and write them a handwritten letter. Okay? Believe me, I had to write them a handwritten letter. And then I had to put it in the mail. I had to go and get the certified mail. Okay? And I had to pay for that shit. $7, but it got me my money. Don't play. I swear to God, when I looked into the mailbox last week, or just the other day, my check was in there. I was like, okay, bro, don't play with me, girl. Do your thing. And I was like explaining to them, like, yo, listen, I just stated my case and I'll let them respond. So basically, the Consumer Protection Act, MGL Chapter 93A, is a consumer protection law. It allows for private rights to action. It allows for private right to action. The law is designed to protect consumers from unfair and deceptive practices employed by some businesses. It empowers consumers who feel they have been unfairly deceived. And that was my issue. I felt like I have been unfairly deceived by a business to easily bring a claim against a business and receive compensation for any money loss they suffered. And yes, the sufferance was, and the loss was my income tax return. What's going on? So basically, they have 30 days to respond. In 30 days, I have my check. In 30 days, I had my check. Once I put this shit in writing to them, because it is no longer a claim until you put it in writing. And then they have 30 days to respond. For more information, check out Consumer Protection Laws. Consumer Protection Act, MGL, Chapter 93A. Check that out. You can do it. You don't have to hire an attorney. Just go with the facts, state your case, put it in writing. Now, if they don't respond within 30 days, you could take them to court. They're gonna have to pay you treble damages, and also for your attorney. And you probably think, I can't afford an attorney. So that's why you have to start the process in writing, because now you're sending them a letter of demand. You're making them accountable. They're informed by sending it certified mail and having them to sign off on it. That means they received that. They have to respond. Okay? So I'm telling you, if you've been wronged and you can't get no answers from that company, go to Consumer Protection Laws and let them guide you through the process as far as what you need to do and to get an understanding, and to make sure that you fit all the you meet all the requirements. Once you meet the requirements, okay, you write your letter. Now, like I said, you don't have to have a computer. You can write it the old-fashioned way. Remember how we used to sit down and write letters? They still accept those, because I wrote mine the old-fashioned way. And that's all I want to tell you. Get your money, man, because I got mine. Boop.